Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Instapage projects for USA marketing, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Instapage account. Navigate to the dashboard where your projects are displayed. Identify the project you wish to back up. Click on the project to open it. Once the project loads, look for the Settings option located in the top menu. Click on Settings to reveal additional options. Scroll down to find the Export feature. Select the Export option to initiate the backup process. Choose the format in which you want to save your project. Common formats include HTML or PDF. Click the Download button to start the export. Wait for the progress bar to complete the download. Once finished, locate the downloaded file in your device's storage. Create a designated folder for all your Instapage backups. Move the downloaded file into this folder for easy access. Repeat these steps for additional projects you wish to back up. Consider scheduling regular backups for all your projects. This ensures you always have the latest versions saved. For team collaboration, share the backup folder with your colleagues. Utilize cloud storage options for added security. Regularly update your backup strategy to include new projects. With these steps, your Instapage projects will be securely backed up, ensuring peace of mind for your USA marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.